Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Well, this is another class of English language and we are going to cover an important topic of English language in this class. So let's proceed. So in today's lecture we are going to talk about the comprehension. So it is important to get to know about comprehension skills. These are basically the strategies which a reader uses to construct meaning and retrieve information from a text. So whatever the text has been given to you on whatever the topic, you read them and retrieve the information. You get the information through the given text. These skills are very much like thinking skills, and they are also cognitive process. It means that they are in connection to each other, which can be broken into steps and taught explicitly with the given context. जो जिस भी कॉन्टेक्स्ट के बारे में बात की गई है उसको आप उस इंफॉर्मेशन को आप स्टेप्स में ब्रेक करते हैं एंड देन रिट्रीव द इंफॉर्मेशन and then whatever the questions have been asked, then you answer those questions as well, right? Comprehension is also an important part of the board examination paper, in which a simple passage is given and we are asked to read the passage and answer the given questions. The questions are taken from the same passage, from the given passage. So as an example, I have also given you a very simple passage. You are supposed to read the passage carefully once and then twice, and then read the question and then answer the related answers, find the related answers. So read the passage. Bacteria are far too small to be seen except through a microscope. The microscope makes the object appear many times bigger than they really are. One of the first men to use a microscope was a Dutch trader. He lived 300 years ago. It was not until 2 centuries after this that scientists began to understand what these tiny creatures do and how important they are. Much of this knowledge is due to the work of a French named Pasteur, who was born in 1822. Now see the questions. How can we see bacteria? We can easily find out this answer from the passage. Then how do the objects appear when they are seen through a microscope? So the information is given in the second or third line of the passage. When and by whom was a microscope used for the first time? See the next question. Who was Pasteur? When was he born? Then some grammatical skills can also be asked from the given passage. For example, write nouns of the verbs know and appear. So know का noun क्या हो जाएगा? Knowledge, and appear का appearance, right? So here another passage is given which you have to read, and at the end the questions are given. You have to read the question and have to answer the have to find the answers of the given questions. Read the passage. In every college of Karachi, election is held every year to elect a group of students which acts as a union of the college. A union is basically a representative of students. In our college, election is generally held in the month of December. As president of Students' Union of our college, the principal announces the date of election at least a fortnight ago. He also issues a notice which contains the election rules. We are advised to maintain discipline and refrain from such activities which may bring bad name to college. We are furthermore advised not to waste our valuable time in canvassing or in other ways. Now look at the questions. What type of activity is held annually in all colleges of Karachi? You can easily find the answer. Number 2, who is the president of Students' Union? You need to sort it out from the passage. Question number 3, what are students advised to do? You can see that there are 2 advices have been given. Question number 4, who issues a notice? What does it consist of? So you have to find this information as well. Question number 5, when is the date of election announced, and give the noun or verb announce. Nouns का verb क्या हो जाएगा? Announcement, and you need to find out the date of election, right? So in this way you have to solve both the comprehensions. What you need to do is simply that read the passage carefully. If you do not understand the full information first, so do read it twice or thrice. And secondly, you need to not to copy down exactly the same word or the same information which is given in the passage. You can turn it in your own words as well, right? Which should make the perfect sense, right? Now is the time of assigning the home task. What you need to do is simply read both the passages. Okay, and since I've given you a small passage, so you have to copy down those passages and copy down the questions as well, and then you have to find the answers as well, and all the work would be done in the grammar copy. It means under the topic of comprehension, you have to solve these two passages, right? Thank you.